Hello, everyone. Welcome to another fresh new episode of Thoughts on Education. Today, we have D. Nageswar Rao, the Executive Director of Vikas Group of Institutions. Sir, I welcome you on behalf of College Dunia. Sir, how are you doing, sir?
Thank you, Abhitosh. Nice talking to you. I am fine. I'm doing well, and hope you are also fine.
Yes, sir. It is a great pleasure to have you for your interview. Sir, can we proceed with the interview?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. So, the first question for you, so being the executive director of Vikas Group of Institution, what is your philosophy of leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style?
According to me, leadership is you should have the quality of taking people along with you. It's not that you command something and expect it doesn't happen. My style of leadership is I always try to take people along with me, those who are always involved in the activities, day-to-day activities of the institution, and I try to give them a very free hand in the decisions that they take. And whenever required, I advise them, suggest them to follow the way which I want. And that is the main success of our organization. And we also feel lucky that we have some administrators who could lead the institution to whatever it is today.
Right, sir. It is a very unique style of leadership, I must say.
Thank you.
Moving on to the next question. So, what are the Vikas Group of Institutions' top priority for the upcoming 10 years?
You see, when we started Vikas in the year 2002, it was always our vision that we should provide a good environment for the students and also the staff members of this institution who will feel like they are in an institution where a good environment is provided. We always believe that if you provide a good environment, the other things will follow. Accordingly, we take a lot of care about the infrastructure, whatever we are providing, and we see that how the people utilize this infrastructure for their well-being, for the growth of the students, and also for the growth of the institution. We always believe in a very hygienic campus. We take a lot of care about the cleanliness of the campus, the greenery of the campus, and that is what it is there today before you. And due to that only, I think we could survive in these last 19 years. And this is going to be our main focus in the years to come. And we will try our best to provide the best of the facilities in the campus.
Right, sir. Coming up to the campus, so what are the unique strengths of your college, that will attract students from different parts of India to come and study over here?
You see, the main attraction of this our institution is the location, because whenever there is an institution, whenever I as a parent I visit an institution, I see that my child is whether in a good environment and a safe place. So we always try our best to provide the student with all the facilities and the environment, the place where we are. Actually, it is one of the best places I can say, because there is a lot of greenery here. We are under this Hirakud dam where there is a lot of availability of water, and surrounding areas are all cultivated lands. So there is a lot of greenery, and people enjoy the environment. and there is least pollution, which is a great advantage for our institution. And the basic thing what we believe is discipline is most important. We
Right,
always
sir.
tell all our students and even the staff members to maintain the maximum levels of discipline, whatever it is. Like, no, it may be the body language, the attire that they are wearing, and we always see that no, people should not feel, whoever visits the campus, that the students or the people moving around are no like they are the looks, the attire they are wearing, that should be no the first impression of the people, those who are visiting our campus.
Right, sir. So, coming up to the next question, sir, we heard that your campus is totally self-sustained. So, could you like elaborate more on it?
Yeah, it's totally self-sustained because we are a private institution and we don't get any type of grant from any of the governments like the state government or the central government. We sustain with whatever the fees that we collect from the students, and the you can go through our no fee structure. It is one of the most economical fee structures, I can say, with the facilities whatever we are providing. We don't say that it's an international standard of the facilities, because we believe that the locality where we are, the students should get best of the things at a very affordable cost, and we provide the facilities, the best of the facilities, with the resources that we are having. And so we survive with the the fees that we collect from the students. That's how we feel that we are sustaining with our self resources.
Right, sir. So, it was like a very unique thing to know because most of the institutions sustain on government subsidiaries, but your institution is totally sustaining on students' fees. That is
Exactly.
really a unique thing to
Exactly.
know. So,
Yes.
one last question for you. So, any message to the students who want to join Vikas Group of Institution in the coming days?
My message to the upcoming students is, whenever you are choosing an institution, you should see the past track record of the institution, and the resources that are available in any of the institution that you are going to join, because the past record shows that how the students are doing in the examinations at the university level. And our institution, we feel proud that whatever courses that we have here under our Sambalpur University, we are one of the leading institutions, and our students regularly in each of the batches, they are the toppers in different wings, whatever you see. And we produce many rankers of the university. So that is what I think the students should be very careful when they are choosing an institution. It's not that you go and see some big buildings and all that and you join there. You see the environment and the people, those who are taking care of you, because there should be some qualified and the people who are must be experienced enough to guide you to lead a good career in your life. Because at the end of the day, when you complete your undergraduate courses or post graduation courses, you should be in a position where you are employable. Because the biggest thing that what we find now in India is, they say that many of the students, those who are passing out, are not in a condition to be employable. But we here at Vikas try our best. Along with education, we teach them in such a way that after end of their course, they are going to join in a good job and they are successful in their career. That is our motto. And as a student, you should see that how the pass out students are doing after going from this institution. This
Right,
is the
sir.
message that I want to give to the students. Thank you, Avitoshji.
Thank you so much, sir. So, like, it was really a great pleasure interacting with you, and I hope that this will really help the students who are finding to join Vikas Group of Institution. So, it was a great pleasure having with you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Avitoshji. Thank you, Avitoshji. Good night.